My name is Lauren from AdvantageLumber.com, and this is the eBay Clip ExtremeKD Gray Deck Fastener. Gray eBay Clip ExtremeKD is the best choice for your deck if you are planning to let it mature to a beautiful patina gray. The ExtremeKD Hidden Deck Fastener is designed for kiln-dried decking that requires 1/4 inch gap spacing. These fasteners have maximum holding power while allowing the kiln-dried decking to expand and contract naturally. The hardened stainless steel insert and durable polyethylene holds the fastener tight to the joist. At the end of your project, you'll have a deck with a smooth appearance and superior weather resistance. Each eBay Clip ExtremeKD complete kit includes 175 eBay Clip ExtremeKD Hidden Deck Fasteners, 190 stainless steel T15 star drive screws, 12 3/8 of an inch tapered eBay plugs, 1 1/8 of an inch high-speed drill bit, 1 screw gun driver bit, 3/4 inch spacer tools, and an instruction sheet. From our mill to your door, AdvantageLumber.com ships to ports and job sites all over the world. Call or visit AdvantageLumber.com today for your ExtremeKD Gray Deck Fasteners.